Okay guys, St. Pat's jet pump. We just set it up, did it the wrong way unfortunately the first time. Had the hoses reversed. We got it figured out here. Sanitizing it, we got some Star San just running through there. Got a little bit of wine in there, shouldn't be a problem. So we're gonna run this for a couple minutes, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, rinse it out with some water. And then basically we're gonna hook it up to the tank. And we're going to transfer the wine out of the tank and into some blue barrels, wash the tank out, and put the wine back in. So that's the plan for today. All right, guys, just rinsed out the pump. That was the clean water. This is the clean water that's gone through the pump now. I think I might do this one more time just to be on the safe side. Anyhow, I wanted to see how many gallons per minute we were getting. That bucket was almost all the way full. It was about an inch from the top, and it took 30 seconds to finish or to pull out. Let's call it 6 gallons. So 6 gallons, 30 seconds. You could expect this pump to put out about 10 to 12 gallons a minute, plus or minus, give or take. But pretty good flow for, I call it 10 gallons a minute, 600 an hour. Not too bad. So we got the pump running now. We're going to empty the tank, wash the tank out from the malolactic, get everything out of here. Pump has been sanitized, running into these 55-gallon drums. We'll wash the tank out and then pump the wine back in. All right, guys, here we go. We are finished cleaning the tank. Got some shims on the floor. Brought the tank to level, and we are now pumping back the wine from the 55-gallon drums. I probably should have put a little bit of argon on these just to protect it from oxygenation, but this is our second sulfite addition, which we dropped in. Can't really see here, but we dropped in some effervescent sulfite from More Wine 5-gram packets, and so this is going to basically be our quote-unquote final sulfite for the wine. The next thing we're going to do is add some oak staves to the tank. The pump has been working really pretty well. A couple issues I'm going to talk about when we're all said and done, but it's definitely better than any of the pumps that we got on More Wine. And in terms of cost, we are, it's well worth buying this thing. I'll leave it at that. So here you can see we're putting the wine back in. The hose is all the way down, getting a little bit of probably degassing more than anything, and then the effervescents are coming up from the sulfite. We use these sulfite effervescent packets. 5-gram dose gets you to about 18 parts per million on a 60-gallon barrel, according to the More Wine site. One little other tip is running this staff. We're probably going to have to get like a 5/8 or 3/4 inch stainless steel pipe or tube or something, because rolling around with these hoses was a total pain in the ass. So we definitely have some room for improvement. Getting a braided line like the top one here, as opposed to a clear vinyl tube. These suck. Really go with the 3/4 inch braided, and that's a 5/8 inch braided. So, okay, I'm gonna keep pumping, and then I'll kind of give you guys my overall on the pump. All right, boys, we're cleaning the pump. So we just primed it again real quick, and we just want to flush it with water real fast just to get the wine out of the impeller. See where we're at. Anyhow, long story short, this is going to be 3 flushes. The first one is just clean water. The second one is going to be sanitizer. And the third one's going to be clean water. And then I want to make a note. You've got these drain nuts, top and bottom. Use them. Very important. They're going to make your life easy, and I'll talk about that a little bit later.